Okay, my little riders, I am back today with another Temu wig review, you guys. I did this one the other day, and when I did this one, this black one right here, I flat ironed her. And when I flat ironed her, let me put you guys back some because this is way too close. And when I flat ironed her, it was too thin on the ends, it was sparse. So she looks better, curled on the ends, and like I bumped her right here. This one right here, I already know it's gonna be horrible because look at this. That ain't even baby hair. Look at that. Horrible. Come on for here, lady. Let me show y'all. Look at the back of it. The color is pretty though. And I'm wondering what's up with these Temu wigs. The back looks okay, but then there's not enough hair in the front and on the sides. So I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do with this. And then this one came also over here, and she looks, her curl, I mean this is about, I'm not gonna do nothing to her. I'm just gonna put her on, press a little bit, not even have a part, have it going to the side. Because these curls look fabulous. But this one right here, I don't know. We gonna see. I told y'all I was gonna bring out this Temu wig review. And this would be actually perfect if the hair, you know, came down like it was supposed to. But it doesn't. It does not. Okay, we're gonna see what it's gonna do, you guys. We're gonna see. Like I said, the black one was already done. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna save that one for last. But I'm gonna do this one next. I might just push this back and... Ooh, I made it loose. Hold up, y'all. What's up, mother riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, today I'm going to review on a Temu wig. They say it's 250 density. It's a straight wig, ombre lace, and it's supposed to be 22 inches. I don't know, but let me see if I can blow this up for you guys. This is what it looks like on Temu. That ain't what I got. Let me show you guys what I got. I did cut the lace off. This is not 250 density at all. And then this hair doesn't even meet up with the rest. So I'm thinking that, look, I'm going to wear a headband with this. I'm just going to do this review because I know what this is going to turn out to be. I know exactly what it's going to turn out to be because I already tried it on. So you guys have to beware. When you're ordering stuff from Temu, especially wigs, you want to make sure. Well, you can't make sure because it's from Temu. And you're only paying like, I'm going to take this thing off too. Because this really, let me show you what it has. It has the band right here. It also has this thick elastic band. It has, bless me, 4 clips. 2 clips on the side, a clip in the top of the head, and then a clip in the back. And even with all that, this ain't it. So let me do this, you guys. Put this on. Snap this. And even where they have the clips placed on this wig is not proper at all. Move my chair over. Yeah, this gonna be a for sure something that I probably could put curls on the bottom, even though it should. Let me pull this up some more. Even with pulling it up more, just hideous. It's something. It's not made right, you guys. I can't do nothing with this but put a headband on and wear it back. And where did I put these headbands at? Hold up, you guys. Let me get the headband on. Okay, you guys, I'm back. And all I'm going to do is put some wax on the front part, this front part. Because I already tried to part it down the middle on the side. Even the way it's made, it calls itself a 13 by 6, but it is, but it's not, because you can't, there's no parting in here. You can't part this. This is, the color in the back is cute. If I'm not gonna even curl it. You don't need to waste any time with this. The only thing you can do with this wig, the only thing you can do with it is put a headband on. Ooh, you can't even really lean on. Jesus. And even the headband ones that you buy, you can leave some hair out some, but this is it, you guys, because the way it's made, it's like a hump at the top. But like I said, you get what you pay for. And this is not sponsored. I knew it was going to be. I just got these wigs just to do these reviews, because people on the comment section were saying, oh, this hair is beautiful. I did this and I did that. And the hair that they had on their head, they were doing it. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't one of these wigs. It was a different wig. Yeah, this got to sit here because right up in here it's like a lump in it. So yeah, it looks good as a headband wig. I'm just put a little bit of my baby hairs out, because I push this thing back some. Make it into a headband wig. Let's see, we want to soup it up a little bit, make it look like something. And you should not have to do this when you're buying a wig. You should not have to do this type of shit when you are buying a wig. All this extraness is too much. Ooh-wee. I had this in my what I'm doing right now, you guys, trying to make some little baby hairs. I'm sorry I'm turning this way, you guys. I'm looking at a mirror. Cause And that does make it look better. I'm telling y'all, I can't do nothing with this. Nothing. I ain't gonna try to put no edges or do nothing like that. Yeah. I'll push you guys back so you could possibly see the whole thing. Look at this. Like I said, I'm not going to waste no time on this. I'm not going to curl it or nothing. This will be worn as a headband wig. Because, yeah. What did they say about this? I'm going to give you guys the whole description. Well, let me put my glasses back on. It says 250 density straight wigs, highlight ombre lace front, human hair, 13x4 lace frontal, transparent lace, and it ain't transparent, and it wasn't pre-plucked, it was straight. It says brown colored honey blonde lace front wig. And it's a 22 inch. And the price was, they don't even have the price on here anymore. And then the comments have the nerve to say, see, that's why people be lying to get free stuff from Teemu. It says 100% love, quality is very good. It's a great product. Absolutely beautiful, excellent. You lied, and somebody else put love. Yep, and somebody said, hi, this wig is not for human hair, and it's not. As stated, yes, false information. It's mixed with synthetic in some parts, and it can't take a flat iron heat. See, that's why I'm glad I didn't do nothing to it. Hair tends to stick uncombing. Very disappointing. Okay. I'm going to leave a review too. That was the first one. That was the truth. And then the other one says, excellent condition. Bullshit. That's just some lies. So if y'all see this hair, look at this. Okay, let me show you guys this picture. This is what they're saying you could do with this. You can't do shit with this. Not nothing like this. You can't even part it down the middle. You can't even part it on the side. It's just, no. It ain't happening. So this wig is just a big fat no. Can't do nothing with it. But wear it in. Oh, it was $34. It was $34. And the reason I got it is, and this is not sponsored, I got it because I saw all the reviews on it, and I knew they was lying. For $34, you get what you pay for. That wig, those pictures wasn't doing what I showed you, wasn't doing what this wig can't do that. Not at all. I just want to prove that those comments on Teemu be lies. They just do that to get free stuff. If they wore this wig, they took it off like I'm gonna do. Or it's cool. It's cool as a headband wig, even though it's not a headband wig. Put a headband on it and go on with it. But yeah, this ain't it, you guys. This ain't it. I would never. And then the other one I did the other day, it was kind of sparse in the front too, but it had more hair, a little bit more hair in the front, a little bit longer. So I put curls on it, and that was for sure all human hair, because once I curled it, it felt good. But it's still not something that I would be wearing around nowhere like that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That's all I got for you. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Be careful when you're ordering human hair wigs from Teemu, because they do have a lot of fillers in it. And yeah, be careful. Especially something that says $34, $54, $87. They even had a wig that was like 26 inches and it was like $120. Y'all don't waste your money on those wigs like that. Please don't. Buy something quality. Something, if you got to pay a little bit more to get what you want. That's all I'm saying. But this here, this ain't it. And I guarantee you, if I put some heat on it, it would shed, because the other one shedded so bad yesterday. It was shedding all over the place. Well, not all over the place. Like if I run my fingers through it, the hair will come out. I haven't put any heat on this, and it's doing the same thing. So with that being said, I hope you guys learned something about Temu and hair wigs, human hair wigs, So yeah, be careful. Be careful with it. Again, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. This, nope. No. No.